Why buy a TEVO? TEVO makes printing easier and more accessible. The new silicone heat bed, made out of glass covering and insulation cotton, improves bed adhesion, which is great, because you will be printing with all sorts of different materials. Wireless printing features wireless printing through an SD card with a diverse, multi-faceted graphic LCD controller. Never get caught up in wires again. With the ability to print via your SD card, you now have the liberty to move about with your computer while your 3D printer works. The LCD controller's screen is truly a great tool. It allows you to view and select files easily, making your printing process run all the more smooth. Better than ever, the TEVO Tornado 3D printer is a versatile, easy-to-use, and highly dependable 3D printer. The TEVO features an all-metal hot end so you can print with every material you can imagine, including nylon, polycarbonate, ABS, wood, HIPS, and more.